Yeah. You know what it is and what it ain't. We back at it. We eating a bowl of greens. The baby arugula. But I ain't no baby. So we about to see. This is honestly how me and my boy eats on a regular. He put me on to this. Put me on to this lifestyle. I just walked in his living room one day and he was eating a bowl of greens with no salad dressing. Just like this right here. Just like this. I said, what are you eating it with? I said, nothing. Just like that. Just like this, no salad. I was like, no salad dressing? He said, no. Nothing. Just straight like that. I said, okay. I guess we're eating a bowl of greens just like that, nothing. Now, there's a lot of health benefits. But other than that, it doesn't taste the best. Like, I know when I eat this at home, when I go home and eat like this in front of my mother, and I'll be like, yo, I'm not eating what you cook. I'm eating this. She goes, you don't even look like you enjoying it. I'm like, yo, I don't eat food to enjoy. I eat it for health. That's how you gotta eat food. For health. Just grab a handful. Yeah. Like a cow grazing. I'm just grazing the arugula. You know what anybody know? Arugula has a slightly bitter taste. Like a slightly bitter, spicy taste. I don't know what is it. But it's the only one that does that. It's starting. Like I took that big handful and it's starting to hit. Romaine lettuce is easier to eat. Swiss chard is easier to eat. But that baby arugula, it's a little difficult. It's a little difficult to eat. It's a little difficult. It's not a passion project. Mind over matter. The healthiest way to eat greens, right here. Yum, yum, yum. That's what my brain says. Yum, yum, yum. Hey, this baby arugula, what does regular arugula look like? What does adult-sized arugula look like? And what does it taste like? It's more bitter than this? And spicier? I don't know, it has like a certain spice to it. And it's triple wash. This is the brand. Triple wash. Grown by American farmers. Only 20 calories per serving. 20% foliate. 10% magnesium. Magnesium is good for the heart. Potassium, 9%. What did I say? 2 grams of sugar. I don't even know how I got all that sugar now. I guess it's natural sugar. Where's the sweetness at? I don't taste it. I'm searching for it. Let me try this again. Let me search for the sugar. I don't taste it. Where's the sweet at? I spilled some on me. Why are you hitting me? No touch. No hit me. I don't find it. I don't know where the sugar at. Does not taste. Does not taste sweet at all. Nope. It goes. If anything, it's in the opposite direction. It's savory. Savory. But I say greens actually has a lot of good, healthy fats for you. Nope. A lot of healthy, good fats for you. Surprisingly. How come the biggest animals eat greens? They just graze all day. A lot of healthy fats for the brain. Your brain needs healthy fats. Your brain is surrounded by fat. So in order for you to think better, you need healthy fats. Not the bad one. I'm almost seeing the bottom here. That's a big handful. I feel good though. I let it pop out. Except I'm using arugula. What's that? Look at that. Found a bug in it. Found a bug in it. Look at that. He gave me a bug. See that bug? He's dead in it. He gave me a bug. Unbelievable. Oh, my napkins are that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Triple washed. And they still didn't get the bug out. Huh. Triple wash, they still didn't even get the bug out. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Is there any more bugs in here? You need to wash it one more time then. You need to wash it one more time. That was only one bug I seen in there. But I can just feel the health pumping through my veins. Pumping through my veins. I feel it through my wrist. And surprisingly, even though it just is 20 calories, you eat one whole unit, you start to feel full. Surprisingly enough, that I start to feel full by the end of it. And then since it's bitter, and you don't really like it, your body really just got full. It's like, yo, I don't even want no more. Yo no quiero. Is that another bowl? No, that's not another bowl. Don't find another one. Ah. Kind of gotta eat it like a psycho, like It's a little difficult. We're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. Done. A lot of people show you the fancy way. You know, the fancy way. You do this, you dress it with this, you do this, you do this, you do this. It's the hardcore way. Straight up. You don't got time for that shit. Like, if you on the road, you got no time for that fancy, smancy stuff. This is like healthy fast food right here. Just get one of these containers and pop them, pop 'em. Yeah, all your greens for the day. Even though I heard you're supposed to do like pounds of greens a day. It's really pounds of greens. How many pounds is this? No pounds. Only 5 ounces, 142 G's. Not too bad. Excellent sources of vitamin K and folate. Yeah. Yep. 80% vitamin K. You know what that means? If it's 1.5 servings, so I got like almost $1.60, probably $1.20. Something like that. Something like that. I like eating like this though because I feel when you eat healthy like this, you get more control of your mind, body, and spirit. And we at the end, folks. You know what's at the end? Yeah. We done. We done. Got a little schmeckles left. Little schmeckles left, but my ego can't let me leave it behind. How much that cost? I don't even know. How much that cost? Oh, excuse me. I don't know. I can't remember. It's not that bad though. I ain't just wash it down with a fruit. I got red dragon fruit. Wash it down with red dragon fruit. Oh shit. Okay. Alright. Now shit. Get your hydration done and you wash down that nasty little bit of spicy taste. Dragon fruit is not sweet. Like, it tastes better, but it's not too sweet or anything. It's not like a mango. Mango is mad sweet. Nah. Got a lot of seeds too. Seeds is healthy for you. The red dragon fruit only tastes slightly more sweeter and better than the white one. Not much of a difference. I feel like somebody having trouble out there. I feel like it's probably like a 5% difference. But I'm taking, because that was crazy. That's the beauty though of fruitery fruits like this. You get hydrated by eating them. So it's like you drinking something and eating something at the same time. You're eating your hydration. You want to eat your hydration. Because I know, before we go, that them fruit juices ain't healthy. You know, I had a hard time coming to terms with that too. You're basically having all that fruit sugar, but no fiber to help you digest it. It's going straight to your blood. So, at least here, now the fiber control it. But I'm about to let y'all go. Y'all been for the ride. You know what it is and what it ain't. You just consume the arugula like nothing. It's just a bowl. It's a bowl of greens. I ain't nothing, my people. Probably next time we'll bring other people in on this so we can talk caca. You know what I mean? Talk some shit. For now, Imano, amiga. You know what it is and what it ain't. Like, comment, subscribe down below your favorite greens and your favorite fruit. I'll try them out next time. Be ready. We out. Bye.